My name is Paul. I come from Czech Republic. That was my lucky year because it's my birthday number, 222. We opened this restaurant. We decided to do some business. So far, it seems we did a lucky move. Yeah. And about Chinese New Year, I'm going to spend with my family because my wife is from Shenyang. Yeah, and I will be with her and her family and stay together the traditional way. I was surprised when I came to China that I remember a celebration of Chinese New Year from Ireland, where I used to live, and Chinese people celebrate in streets, and there were markets and full of life. And when I came to China, I expected something like that, but after I learned that people actually go home and stay with families, so that was a little surprise for me. I do like Spring Festival very much. I enjoy the quiet time. Finally, Shenyang sometimes slows down. It's very quiet. It's nice to go out to the park for a walk. I'm not really a person to sit down and watch TV, so I enjoy making jiaozi with family and just have fun. For me, the biggest problem is to make the filling inside the stuffing, but make the jiaozi, I feel it's easy. In Chinese, I only can say 春节快乐, but I can wish to all Chinese people only prosperity, happiness, and every year enjoy their life. 春节快乐!